Okay, we're going to be doing some problems practicing the concepts that we learned from our last video on shifting a parabola up or down, left to right, and whether my graph is going to be skinnier or more narrow than my parent function of y equals x squared. Y equals x squared is what I'm comparing all of these graphs to. Well, if I have this plus 5 here at the end, what is going to happen is my graph is going to be shifting up 5. Now this number that is subtracted or added inside the parentheses, to me is just opposite of what is intuitive. You normally think of that minus 3 as shifting to the left, but actually it's going to be shifting to the right. On problem 3, my coefficient is more than 1. So that means my graph is going to be narrower. And here in problem 4, I have a fraction that is less than 1. So that graph is going to be wider. Okay, what is the vertex of y equals x squared? Okay, there's a quick sketch of y equals x squared. There's the vertex, so that is the point 0, 0. Problem 6. What is the vertex of y equals x squared plus 2? Well, I know that this plus 2 is going to shift my graph up 2. So my graph's going to look like this, and the vertex is going to be this point right here. That is the point 0, 2. Problem 7. What is the vertex of y equals x minus 3 quantity squared? I know that the graph is going to be shifted to the right 3. So my graph's going to look like that. This point of the vertex is the point 3, 0. In problem 8, what is the vertex of x plus 1 quantity squared minus 6? First of all, let's do the shifting down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm also going to be shifting to the left 1. So my graph is going to look like this. And that vertex is going to be at the point -1, -6. Now, what I want you to see here is that this -1 is the opposite of what this is, +1. And this -6 here is the same as this -6. So that leads us to the general form for the vertex form for the equation of a parabola. What is inside these parentheses is the x minus h. This h is going to be the x coordinate of the vertex, and the number k out here is going to be the y coordinate of the vertex. So looking at problem number 9, it's not exactly in the right form because I don't have this h here, but I can rewrite this as x minus 0 squared plus 2. So my vertex is the point 0, 2. And we saw this problem 9 here of x squared plus 2 actually back up here with problem 6, y equals x squared plus 2. Problem 10, what is the vertex? It's going to always be the opposite of this number that's inside and the same as the number that's added or subtracted outside. So it's the point 4, 2. So let me give you a second to pause the video and see if you can figure out the answer to number 11. And that is the point -6, -5.